Fannie Willis, the Fulton County District Attorney that has that special grand jury over there in Georgia, has asked a court to compel Sidney Powell to come on down to Georgia and have a talk with her. Because, according to Willis's filing, the witness's anticipated testimony is essential in that it is likely to reveal additional sources of information regarding the subject of this investigation. Meaning, Sidney Powell likely has some information that could, give us a few more leads. It could kind of, perhaps seal the deal on some other folks that we're targeting. Maybe she has the missing pieces of the puzzle for us to get these indictments. Or perhaps maybe Sidney Powell herself needs to be a target of this investigation. Because as it is right now, based on this filing, the best we can tell is that Sidney Powell is not an actual target. She is not somebody, again, that we know of. Maybe this is wrong. Maybe they haven't revealed it. But she's not somebody that they're saying we may have to file criminal charges against her. That has not happened yet. They have, however, said that Giuliani, who just recently testified, is a target, which means they think Giuliani may have broken the law in Georgia along with Donald Trump. They haven't said that with Sidney Powell. Right now, all they're saying is just make her come and talk. We just want to have a nice little friendly conversation with Miss Powell. After all, she was at the heart of all of this. We want to know what she discussed with Donald Trump, and that actually is specifically mentioned in this court filing. But it's not just Powell. They also want to hear from Mark Meadows. They say that we need you to compel Mark Meadows to come have a chat with us as well, because we want to know what he told Donald Trump about Georgia. We want to know what he pushed him to do. We want to know if he knows anybody else we may need to go after. Or, of course, maybe he's the one we need to go after. So that's what's happening right now. You have these two characters, Powell and Meadows, that were, of course, deeply involved in Donald Trump's attempts to overturn the election results, which includes Georgia. So now, come and talk to us. Just let us know what you know. You're not targets right now, as far as we know. We just want to have a friendly chat. We want to know what you know. We want to know if there's other people that we need to go after, and maybe those other people are you. Here's the thing. Lindsey Graham, of course, this past week was supposed to go down and testify. A court has extended indefinitely his challenge to that, so he hasn't had to testify yet, but then his lawyers filed in court saying that he just absolutely can't answer any questions on anything because he has absolute immunity, basically. Powell and Meadows don't have that. Lindsey Graham doesn't have it. Let's be clear about that. Lindsey Graham doesn't have immunity either. He thinks he does, but I don't think that's going to work in court. But Powell and Meadows would have no legal grounds to actually challenge a subpoena if it came to that point. Right now, they're not looking for the subpoena. They're just looking for the compel them to come and talk to us. If they cannot be compelled, then they will be subpoenaed. If they try to challenge those subpoenas, it's going to get smacked down like that, much like Rudy Giuliani, because they have no claims of immunity. They're not sitting lawmakers. At least in the case of Powell, she was not a part of the administration, so there's not even remotely the claim of executive privilege over anything she talked about. She was a private outside counsel paid by the Trump campaign, so she's screwed. That's the best part of it. Meadows may be able to argue some kind of executive privilege. I don't know. Powell, on the other hand, she's got nothing. And whether she's compelled or subpoenaed, buckle up, because she's eventually going to head down to Georgia probably pretty soon and have to spill some beans there. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.